Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Dutch-Bangla card decline fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So some of the steps that you can use is first to check your account balance. To do this, simply head over and open up your Dutch-Bangla app, and then what you need to do is simply log in using your credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is check your account balance. Sometimes insufficient funds are the most common reason for the issue, so just simply check the available balance by simply tapping on tap for balance. Then the next method is make sure your card is active. To do it, simply tap on more option right here and then select cards, and inside select cards management and check if your card is active. If it's blocked or inactive, simply tap on activate or unblock and that will fix the issue. Then third method is enable online POS or NTF transactions. Some cards have transaction restrictions by default, so simply head over to the cards settings by tapping on more and then selecting cards and then card management, and enable e-commerce or online payments, ATM withdrawals, POS or tap to pay transactions, and international transactions if required. The next method is check daily transaction limits. Your transaction may exceed daily limits as well, so simply head over once again to the card limits and then increase the limits for ATM, POS and online payments. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.